Dell G15 5515 Ryzen 7 Gaming. AMD Ryzen TM 75800H8 core, 16-thread mobile processor. 16 GB, DDR4, 3200 MHz 512 GB M2 PCIe NVMe solid-state drive. NVIDIA GeForce RTX TM 3050T 4 GB GDDR6. What's in the box? The packaging here is pretty modest. There are some paper manuals, as well as a 180W power adapter. The Ryzen 7 APU and GeForce RTX 3050T laptop GPU bring all the current games smoothly to the matte FHD screen of the G15. The case of the G15 is made from plastic. While a fifth of the base unit in the back is kept in a dark gray color tone, the rest 4/5 and the lid cover have a light gray color. The light gray areas have some dark gray color spots, phantom gray sprinkled. The G15 offers 3 USB-A connections, 2x USB 2.0, 1x USB 3.2 Gen 1. Models with the RTX 3060 GPU, 3x USB 3.2 Gen 1, and a single USB-C connection, USB 3.2 Gen 2, which supports DisplayPort via USB-C. So together with the HDMI connection, there are 2 video outputs. The connections are distributed over 3 sides of the laptop, since the video connections and the power port are positioned in the back. Dell has equipped the G15 with an illuminated chiclet keyboard including a number block. The flat keys offer a medium stroke and a clear pressure point. Touchpad: a multi-touch capable clickpad measuring 10.5 by 6 cm, approximately 4.1 by 2.4 in, serves as the mouse replacement. Its smooth surface makes it easy to slide the fingers, and it also responds to inputs in the corners. The pad offers a short stroke and clear pressure point. 15.6-inch, FHD, 1920x1080, 120 Hz, anti-glare, non-touch, 45% NTSC, 250 nits, wide viewing angle, WVA. 1280 by 720, HD, at 30 fps, HDR-GB camera with digital array microphones in camera assembly. Maintenance: after you have removed all the screws from the case bottom, you can loosen it with the help of a prying tool, but some sections are fixed quite tightly. Removing the case bottom will provide access to the SSD, WLAN module, working memory, battery, and fans.